Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Katham vidyam aham yogi tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi Bhagavan Maya. Om. Engage yourself in constant meditation on Sri Krishna Paramatma with devotion. Every day try to learn to enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's presence in different forms. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall engage myself in meditation upon you with devotion. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall try to learn to enjoy your presence in different forms. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 127th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, according to Chaturmukha Brahma's boon, Drona, Dhara, they born as Nanda and Yashoda, and then in order to bring Brahma's boon into fact, Paramatma took birth as Sri Krishna and came down to Nanda Vraja and being raised by Nanda Yashoda. Like that, Krishna Paramatma giving happiness to Nanda Yashoda and all the Gopikas, Gopalas. One of those days, Ekada Gruhadasishu Yashoda Nandagehini Karmaantaraniyuktasu nirmamandha swayam dadhi. Because Yashoda Devi's all other maids were busy in their own works, Yashoda Devi herself wanted to churn the curds. Yani yani ha gitani tadbala charitani cha dadhinir mandhane kale smaranti tani agayata. While churning the curds, Yashoda Devi, remembering her own son Krishna's beautiful, miraculous, mischievous activities. While remembering all Krishna's actions and playful activities, she is also singing with happiness and churning the yogurts. She is wearing such a beautiful saree, Karakamalaruna Kanti Kavva Putradu Pavadam Pununu Deepa Pagidimeraya Podamina Chamatato Bolparu Nemmomu Manchupai Padina Padmambun Tegadan. While she is churning yogurt, because of the glow coming out of her hands, the thread, the rope that she is holding to churn, that rope looking just like a golden, beautiful rope. So here Nanda Yashoda, they are leaders of the Nanda Vraj. That is why Yashoda Devi is like a queen. She has so many maids. She has so many cows. Ever since Krishna came down, her cows started giving so much of abundant milk. That is why in entire Nanda Vraj, for every one of the Gopikas, taking the milk from the cows and then warming the milk, then making it curds, again churning the curds, then taking out butters. This is the work, never-ending work for all the Gopikas, including Yashoda. Like that work is going on in Nanda Vraj. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 17th sloka. Kadham vidyam aham yogi tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavan maya. Katham vidyam aham yogi tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavan maya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.